St. Joseph Academy is a great place to be. We are having a fine arts evening featuring artwork, drama, musical performances, woodworking, and crochet. So this is the St. Joseph Academy Crochet Club. Everybody wave and say hello. Hi. All right, so behind us you can see the panels of artwork, but let's go and look at our crochet. This is a sampling of the students' work. So here we go. We have a lot of amigurumi. We have an Afghan. And we're still waiting for another project to come in. We have a variety of projects. Corner to corner, a dishcloth, a little streamer made of pom-poms. We have more C2C projects, a poo emoji, a hedgehog, scarves, and then we have a granny square Afghan, a turtle, a heart purse, a scarf using self-striping yarn, and then we have a cowl, another C2C. So here we go. I'm looking at the projects again. This is a year's worth of crochet work by the St. Joseph Academy Crochet Club. Thank you for watching.